Today, we will talk about the Industrial Production Index, IPI. The Industrial Production Index is a monthly economic indicator measuring real output in the manufacturing, mining, electric, and gas industries, relative to a base year. It is published in the middle of every month by the Federal Reserve Board, FRB, and reported on by the Conference Board, a member-driven economic think tank. The FRB also releases revisions to previous estimates at the end of every March. The Industrial Production Index measures levels of production in the manufacturing, mining, including oil and gas field drilling services, and electrical and gas utilities sectors. It also measures capacity, an estimate of the production levels that could be sustainably maintained, and capacity utilization, the ratio of actual output to capacity. Industrial production and capacity levels are expressed as an index level relative to a base year, currently 2012. In other words, they do not express absolute production volumes or values, but the percentage change in production relative to 2012. The source data is varied, including physical inputs and outputs such as tons of steel, inflation-adjusted sales figures, and, in some cases, hours logged by production workers. The FRB obtains this data from industry associations and government agencies and aggregates them into an index using the Fisher-Ideal formula. Within the overall IPI, there are a number of sub-indices providing a detailed look at the output of highly specific industries. Industry-level data are useful for managers and investors within specific lines of business, while the composite index is an important macroeconomic indicator for economists and investors. Capacity utilization is a useful indicator of the strength of demand. Low capacity utilization signals weak demand, while high capacity utilization can indicate the economy is overheating. Below is the seasonally adjusted IPI for the 50 years to October 2017. Data is available going back to January 1919. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The Industrial Production Index, IPI, measures levels of production and capacity in the manufacturing, mining, electric, and gas industries, relative to a base year. 2. The Federal Reserve Board, FRB, publishes the IPI in the middle of every month, and revisions to previous estimates at the end of every March. 3. The Composite Index is an important macroeconomic indicator for economists and investors. 4. Industry-level data, meanwhile, is useful for managers and investors within specific lines of business. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.